In this video, I'll explain how to identify and match different types of bricks and how to overcome the challenges of weathering when doing so. When it comes to identifying different types of bricks, weathering is one of the biggest challenges. Bricks can change their appearance over time due to exposure to the elements, making it difficult to find an exact match. However, with a keen eye and some knowledge, you can still come close to finding suitable matches. Step 1 is to observe the characteristics of the existing brick. Look closely at the colour, texture, size and the pattern of the brick. Note any unique features or details that make it stand out. Next, compare the characteristics of the existing brick to the available options. Google will be useful for this, as well as our own website, buildingmaterials.co.uk. Step 2 involves consulting experts such as experienced bricklayers or architects who have expertise in brickwork. They can provide valuable insights and recommendations. Now let's address the challenges of weathering. Bricks can change in colour, texture over time due to exposure and the elements. It's important to consider the level of weathering on the existing brick when matching. Look at the bricks that have similar weathering patterns, as this can help create a more cohesive appearance. Step 3 is to request samples of the brick you're considering and compare them to the existing brick. Seeing the bricks in person will give you a much better understanding of the colour, the texture and overall appearance. Hold the samples up against the existing brick and assess how well they match. Step 4 is crucial to buy extra bricks. When matching bricks, it's not always possible to find the exact match. Therefore, it's recommended to buy a surplus of bricks for the amount of variations or future repairs. Having extra bricks on hand ensures consistency in your brickwork. Identifying different types of bricks and matching them for your construction product can be a challenging task, especially when weathering is a factor. Remember, finding an exact match may not always be possible, but by selecting bricks with similar characteristics, considering the effects of weathering, you can create a seamless integration between old and new brickwork. Alternatively, we here at Building Materials Nationwide provide a fast and easy brick matching service. For a small fee, our team of specialists will quickly help you identify old bricks and provide you with trade pricing on perfect matching of brick type for your project. Links to this and other types of bricks we sell can be found in the description below. Let us know in the comments if you've attempted brick matching and how you got on. And subscribe.